So one of the other cool things that Monkey Tools can store and inject for you, providing your version of Excel supports them, is Lambda functions. Now, most people I know actually store their Lambdas in like a text file or something like that. Then they have to go hunt them down, copy and paste them, and it's just kind of painful. So let's let Biblio Monkey help you out here. Now, this workbook contains a Lambda function. It's not very obvious, but if we go to cell B4, you'll notice there is a worksheet name function, and that is not a standard Excel function. That is a Lambda function, and I can prove that out for you by going to Formulas, going to Name Manager, and you can see that we have the worksheet name as a defined name here, which uses the Lambda function. You'll also notice that it is multi-row, and it's really hard to see in this tiny little box that we have here. So rather than trying to copy and paste out of that, why don't we use Biblio Monkey? Let's go to Monkey Tools, to Biblio Monkey. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a new item into the Biblio Monkey database. You'll notice you have a filter where you can filter down from existing items if you want to do that. I'm going to choose, though, instead of opening up a blank query or opening it up from the library and making a duplicate of something, I'm actually going to go and use the solution. And what you can see here is that this actually targets the current workbook that we're working on, and there is the worksheet name Lambda. So if I take a look, it actually picks up the description from the named range. It gives me the name of the function itself, and it gives me the Lambda signature right there, ready to go. So this is pretty cool. If I want this in my Biblio Monkey database, all I need to do is hit save. And boom, Biblio Monkey reloads the database. There is my Lambda for worksheet name. Beautiful. So now if I want to go and work on any other workbook that doesn't have this Lambda function involved, I can just choose right-click, insert from Biblio Monkey Lambda, and there is the worksheet name. Now, of course, if it already has it in there, what's going to happen? Well, we're going to go and say inject it, and it's going to say, hey, it already exists. Would you like to replace it? So this is actually really useful too, because if you happen to be maintaining it and realize you made a mistake in a Lambda, you need to update something to the latest version, you can just inject it, way you go, yep, replace it, and now we've got the updated version right inside our workbook as well. So this is how we can inject things from the current solution, and this works for Lambda functions, it works for DAX measures and queries and other things as well. So it's kind of a cool little way to get things into your Monkey Tools database quickly. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.